Welcome, dear viewers, to Unveiling the Natural Healing Powers. Today, we take a journey through the wonderful world of one of nature's most generous gifts, the aloe vera. Often referred to as the miracle plant or the healing plant, aloe vera has been used for its medicinal properties for thousands of years, spanning different cultures and continents. The magic of aloe vera lies in the clear, gel-like substance found in its fleshy leaves. This gel is packed with vitamins, minerals, amino acids, and antioxidants, all contributing to its numerous health benefits. One of aloe vera's most known uses is in skincare. Its anti-inflammatory and cooling properties make it a natural remedy for sunburns, minor burns, and various skin conditions like acne and psoriasis. Its hydrating properties also make it a great natural moisturizer. When it comes to internal health, aloe vera is no less impressive. Drinking aloe vera juice can improve digestive health, acting as a natural remedy for heartburn and ulcers, and promoting regular bowel movements. And let's not forget about oral health. Aloe vera, used as a mouth rinse, is effective in combating certain bacteria that cause cavities. Its soothing properties can also help with gum inflammation and mouth ulcers. Aloe vera's benefits also extend to hair care. It can moisturize the scalp, reduce dandruff, promote hair growth, and leave your hair shiny and smooth. Beyond these uses, aloe vera has potential benefits for immune support and blood sugar management, although more research is needed in these areas. With its wide range of uses and benefits, it's clear why aloe vera has stood the test of time. Whether you're using it topically or consuming it, this amazing plant has something to offer everyone. Remember, while aloe vera is a potent natural remedy, it's not a replacement for professional medical advice or treatment. Always do a patch test for topical applications and start with small amounts for internal use. If you're on any medication or have any health conditions, consult with a healthcare provider before consuming aloe vera internally. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of aloe vera, truly a gift of nature. Until next time, stay healthy and embrace the healing power of nature.